Hi friends! I just want to show you where you should go in order to figure out what you're going to need to do while we're doing these distance learning days. So when you go into our English speech class, I'll do my best to keep this PowerPoint pretty well updated on a weekly basis. And then you go down here and it says Distance Learning Planner 3:30 to 4:08. So right here is where you're going to go to figure out what you have to do by April 8th. So before spring break, these are the things listed here that you're going to have to get done. It says the date also right up here, and I'll post a new one for the following week after April 8th if necessary. So I'm going to have notes here, just personal notes for you that you can read. There's a video here about how I miss you that you can watch. Again, you don't have to start any of this work until Monday, March 30th. If you want to start earlier, you can, but you absolutely don't have to. Basically, for your independent novel, you're going to want to continue reading your independent novel and submit, the second third of your reading journal questions and then the third of your reading journal questions. So make sure that you're answering all the questions that are in the reading journal and submitting those in Schoology. You're also going to have to do one project that goes with your independent novel. If you remember, there's a choice board and you can choose between like 8 or 9 different things. So whatever one will work best for you to help show what you've learned about your novel. This is a really good chance to be creative. I'm sure when you're at home now, there's a lot of different things that you can make and create. The more creative, the better. If you click on this link right here, you can see all the different choices that you have for the independent novel project. So each one is worth 50 points. If you have any questions about that, let me know. For the short stories, there's 2 more that you're going to need to read. And one is called The Sniper, and then one is called A Sound of Thunder. I did read in a screencast, The Sniper. So if you click on this link, you can hear me read The Sniper to you. In case you don't want to read it on your own, you can listen to it. And then A Sound of Thunder is here. And then you're going to have to do the theme assignments for each one of those stories. Each one is worth 10 points. Those are found in Schoology or the links are here. Remember in your theme paper preparation packet, write down the themes of every story that you read. You're going to need that eventually. Read over the theme paper outline. There's an outline on Schoology. If you click this link, it'll take you to the outline of the theme paper that you're going to write. So read over the outline. It'll show you how your paper should be formatted and what you're going to need in it. The theme paper will be written about one main theme. So you're only going to write about one main theme, whether it's revenge, whether it's friendship, whether it's love, family, loyalty, whatever your theme is, you're going to write about one theme. And you can choose 2 different selections. You can also choose 3 different selections. It was going to be 3 mandatory, but I decided that you can do it just on 2 selections. So your independent novel should be one of your selections. The novel that you're reading on your own should be one of your choices. And then you're going to want to find one of the short stories we've read in class, or you might notice that you can do The Crucible. Choose one that kind of goes with your novel. So if you're reading a novel that's about revenge, maybe you're thinking that Bubble Bath number 3, the short story that we read, goes really well and ties in with the idea of revenge. So maybe that you're going to want to choose those 2 selections and write your paper about the theme of revenge. So be thinking about that. Theme check number 1 and theme check number 2 are each worth 10 points. And basically it's you getting started with writing out the examples for your paper. So both of these checks will get you started with writing your actual theme paper. So they'll help you, plus you're going to get points for them. This is a body paragraph example that shows you what a body paragraph in the theme paper might look like. So you can look through that and kind of see how they gave their examples from the stories within the body paragraphs. So sorry, but we're not going to be doing interviews. I am sorry about the ACT. We've been planning and preparing for that for a long time. So, more information will be coming out as soon as possible, hopefully. I'll get you more information about the theme paper as it keeps coming. I'll be editing this kind of as we go, but I tried to make it as specific and well laid out as possible. If you have any questions, please let me know. If there's anything that I can do to make this easier on you, let me know. If this is too, complex and you want it more simple, I don't know. I'm doing the best I can. So we're just trying to navigate this together. There is a running questions discussion on Schoology. If you notice, it's called Running Questions Discussion, I believe. And there, if you have any questions about anything, put your questions. I'm sure if you have a question, somebody else does, and then we can all kind of talk back and forth. So if you need anything, reach out. Okay, have a good day.